Number 17's got a 16 in the front and a 64 at the end. If we put that in here, we put the x squared here, and we put the minus 64 here, right? I'm sorry, 16x squared, right? And then if we put x and x, now we got to get 16 there. So, but if we're going to get negative 64 here, think about 64. Negative 8 times positive 8 will give us negative 64, because it's a perfect square. And then if we did 4 times 4, that would give us positive 16. So this is just, and we can write this out, 4x times, this would be negative 32x, and this would be positive 32x. And they would cancel out. So that's why we're left here with 4x minus 8 times 4x plus 8. It doesn't really matter which one of these comes first, as long as one's a minus and one's a plus. If they're exactly the same, except for this minus and plus, the middle term will be gone, right? So that is dealing with difference of squares. Let's go back to the front. And if you're done with the front, or you get the front, it's great. I want to look at just number 12 real quick with you. Number 12, x squared plus 12x plus 36. So if you factor that out, I guess let's check it first real quick. 36 is 6 times 1 is 6 times 2 is 12. So it does work. So x squared 36, and then to get the 36, we'll put a 6 here, 6 here, an x here, an x here. And if you get lost and you're like, oh, that should be a negative 6, but negative times a positive would give you a negative, not a positive. So if you're dealing with special cases, you're always going to have a plus at the end. All right? And then it's just x plus 6 times x plus 6. And that's factoring with special cases. Go ahead and finish this sheet with the time that you have left.